Good morning, children. This is your chemistry lecturer, Samuel. You can call me Sam. Is that clear? Yes. So, before we proceed with the classes, I want to make one thing very clear in this whole academic year is that you should never ever laugh in my class nor show me your dirty teeth. If you pop out your teeth, you will be popped out of the class and you will face bad consequences. I'm being very clear on this. No popping out dirty teeth or laughing in my class. Okay. So yeah. Now going ahead with the chemistry, the basic common knowledge of chemistry should be forming the valencies, knowing the valencies and crisscrossing them to write down the formulas. Okay. Yesterday I gave a homework of learning the periodic table. Correct. So whoever first tell me whoever didn't learn the periodic table or don't do the homework, raise your hands in the air. Okay, as expected, no one is doing it, so let me do it my way. A by you stand up. Tell me the periodic table. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, carbon. Get out of the class right now. You think I will not know? Now again I'm asking for the final time. Who didn't learn the periodic table? Exactly. You 6 people meet me after the class. I will tell you what is the punishment. Okay. Now I don't want to waste my time in the class doing all these nonsense things. So if we proceed now, and the basic concept, as I told you, is crisscrossing the valencies. If you know water, water is the basic element present in our body on the earth. Okay. So if we consider water H2O, how it is formed, I will show you. H oxygen. Oxygen is having 2 valency, hydrogen 1. If you crisscross this valencies, you will get the oxygen gives it 2 to hydrogen, hydrogen gives it 1 to oxygen. So you will get H2O. That is how H2O is written in the type of formula. Same thing if you go with the calcium chloride. Calcium is having the valency of 2 plus 2. Chloride is having the valency of 1. If you crisscross, you get CaCl2. That is calcium chloride. So I hope you understood the concept of crisscrossing the valencies. To know the valencies, you should know the periodic table, the atomic numbers, protons, electrons, neutrons. That we have done in the previous classes. So right now I'm going to take a SPART test. SPART test it is. Okay, so because I have taught you how to write the formulas, SPART test is to write the formulas for me. Okay, I will give you a few basic, elements from the table. You just write down the formulas for me. You stand up right there in your place where you are. Stand up, I said. Correct. Why are you showing me your dirty teeth? I just told you that you shouldn't pop your dirty teeth out. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing in front of me? Sir, this boy is making me laugh, sir. You you stand up. Why are you making this person laugh? మీకు తెలుగులో ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే అర్థమవుతలేదు కదా, తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడాలి నేను. ఇది ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అండి, నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడుతుంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతలేదు అనుకుంటా. Once again you do this type of naughty, dirty activities in my class, you will be taken to the principal. Okay? Don't let me do all this in the first class at least. I want to be good with you all. Okay?